Hi there and welcome at Materialise. My name is Peter. I'm here today with Alireza Parandian from our eyewear business to talk a little bit about 3D printing and sustainability in the eyewear industry. Hi Alireza. Before we get started, would you mind explaining us and the viewers a little bit about yourself and what you do here at Materialise exactly?
Yes, thank you very much. I'm Alireza Parandian. I have joined Materialise about 6 years ago with a mission to look for a new application where we can make meaningful impact with. And eyewear is something that I have started to work on from 6 years ago, and I'm now responsible for global business strategy in that domain.
Perfect, thank you. So very bluntly then, the first question, is 3D printing a sustainable manufacturing technology for eyewear?
The easy answer is yes, Peter, but everything is relative. So a more productive approach is to be able to take significant factors like economic, environmental, and even more broader societal factors into account and be able to compare with the current ways of working. But it's also important to realize that sustainability is not a destination as such. It is more a journey to embark on.
That is nicely put, and I hear you highlighting two factors in particular, economical and environmental factors. Would you mind zooming in on those two a little bit more, please?
Of course, Peter. First of all, the economic factor. Time to market right now is essential, and with reduced design cycles and lower manufacturing timelines, what we can offer to the designers and brands in the eyewear industry is that they reduce the journey time from concept development to end products going to the market. The reverse is also true because the faster feedback comes back from the market, they can change the next product and have much more demand-led stock production. Environmental aspects are also important. It is very important to note that additive manufacturing offers the potential to have local production. But also when we look at waste production, if we compare additive manufacturing with subtractive ways of producing eyewear, what we can see is that we can bring down 70% of material wastage.
That's a very promising message, and that holds promises for the future, I would say. How do you see 3D printing as a sustainable production method evolving in the years to come?
As I said, Peter, I think it's a journey, and we like a partnership approach. One of the more important factors that is happening right now is a new material that we're introducing, PA11, which is very strong, flexible, performant in general, but also it's biosourced, made from castor beans. It offers, because of its off-white powder base, new possibilities for finishes, and that's what we're exploring right now as a next step together with our customer base.
And what is your view, knowing all of this, what's your view on how eyewear brands today can leverage these things in their own sustainability approach?
Most important is that they take an explorative approach together with us and introduce as a part of their collections a 3D printing collection so that as they move on, they can understand how 3D printing can help them moving forward towards sustainability goals.
Thank you, Alireza, for these useful insights and for joining us here today. Thank you, viewer, for watching. I hope you find this interesting and thought-provoking. If you would like to find out more about our services in terms of 3D printing and how this can help you on your sustainability journey, feel free to reach out via the known channels or via the links and the information that is pasted below the video. Thanks again.